This tiny beetle has a fiery secret. It can launch a chemical explosion right out of its rear. The Bombardier beetle defends itself with a powerful chemical spray, reaching temperatures of nearly 100 degrees Celsius, hot enough to burn predators. When threatened, it mixes two chemicals inside its body that react explosively, creating a boiling, noxious spray. The beetle has a special chamber that controls the reaction, ensuring it doesn't harm itself while unleashing this deadly defense. And it's fast. This beetle can fire up to 500 rapid bursts in just a few seconds, leaving predators stunned and retreating. A tiny insect with a big bang, the Bombardier beetle shows that in the world of nature, sometimes the best defense is a good explosion.